I'm not saying my Honda HRV was a completely fruitless investment. I'm not saying that it was a bad car. All I'm saying is that it could have been done better. This is my United States of whatever. So I decided today to get rid of my Honda HRV, my 2016 first generation, first year Honda HRV. A lot of things messing up on it. I lost a lot of money. I was still positive, but the car for Turo, but the car ended up owing me a lot of money. It had brakes, all 4 brakes redone. It had a new windshield done, and now it needs suspension stuff done. Oh, and also at the beginning of 2024, it had its 100K service that I put off until I hit like 120. The HRV is going to be gone next week. I'm replacing it, and I have another vehicle. It's a lot like my my black CRV in the way that it is exactly like my black CRV. I'm buying another CRV. People seem to like that one. I added the Honda HRV to my fleet in January 2022. And in the year 2024, it was my lower dollar amount car. My CRV was rented more than my HRV was, which is bananas to me, because there's about $8, $9 in difference in the daily rate between those vehicles. But the more expensive one of the two got rented more in 2024, which of course means it also earned more. But yep, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and cut my losses on the HRV. It's unfortunate that I did owe more than what it was valued at on the loan. And you know what, for peace of mind, I said I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go because I don't know what's going to happen to it next. Oh, and the new battery. The HRV also got a new car battery in 2024. You might be thinking, why you spend all that money? Why are you getting rid of it? I'm getting rid of it for my peace of mind. It is a headache. One of my guests calls and they have the HRV. It sends my anxiety through the roof, because it's like, what is it now? Rear tail light, which is a LED that can't be changed out when it goes out. It can only, you have to replace the whole tail light housing. Honda, which is like $400. And I'm just like, I'm not doing that. That's so ridiculous. That's such a bad system. I got the Trump hands going. But that's what's happening. I'm getting rid of the HRV because simply because this is my United States of whatever.